was planned genocide. And so there are measures we are going to take. As I end, I had President Ruto indicate, in fact, congratulate the police. And I want to tell the president, you want to tell Ruto today that we are very happy. May the cries of these widows, may the cries of these orphans today confirm to you and the dead bodies in those coffins that the police did the good job you are doing. As Luos, we remain in Kenya because Baba has taught us to be Kenyans and never to leave Kenya, because we are not invitees into Kenya and we are not living Kenya. Jodala wakozo uo Kenya. But we need to tell Baba, ni Baba jo wagi wacho ni gichakol gi Kenya, gichakol gi Kenya. Jodala wa uol koso kuol. Atie koka wacho ni I had the CS for Interior, my former good friend Kindiki, ask where our people are. Wamepotea kwa nyasi gani? Brother Kindiki, our people are in those coffins. But the ones who are not killed under your command and lawful command are waiting for the day Baba will call them to protest for rights, because that is a constitutional right. So here they are. To a guy called Tuhame, Amolo, let us agree. As leaders, we cannot be crying with the people as if we don't have solutions. The Constitution allows for the bringing of a petition to remove an Inspector General of Police who is rogue. And so we want the permission of these people who have lost, dear relatives today, sons and daughters, husbands and parents, that we go and petition in your name the removal of a rogue called Inspector General Tuhame somebody. And immediately that can happen. Amolo, adwa kwayo ni gimane wawacho ni terikot. Ngima mar Joluo has been made the biggest sport. The biggest sport. And gini no bedo planned. We will say much later. But wakauru case magjogi. And led by the senior councils we have, let us take a case in court that can bring value to these families whose loved ones have been killed by the police in this brutal. Jodalawa uye. Ero rukamana in.
Ero kamanu pondo Kaluma. Let me now invite